CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Friday, April 17, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Citigroup Incorporated reported a loss per share of 18 cents compared to a loss of $1.03 last year. Analyst average estimates were a loss of 34 cents. Citigroup beats by 16 cents. Total revenues of $24.8 billion were up 99% compared to the first quarter of 2008. Net interest margin of 3.3% increased 50 and 8 basis points versus the first and fourth quarter of 2008. Operating expenses were down $3.7 billion or 23% since the first quarter of 2008. Citigroup Incorporated is a global financial services company. GE reported, including the effects of discontinued operations, first quarter net earnings attributable to GE were $2.8 billion or 26 cents per share in 2009 and $4.3 billion or 43 cents per share in the first quarter of 2008. Analyst average estimates were 21 cents per share. GE beats by 5 cents. Comparing last year's numbers, earnings of $2.8 billion down 35%, earnings per share of 26 cents down 40%, revenues of $38.4 billion down 9%. GE is a diversified infrastructure, finance, and media company taking on the world's toughest challenges. Harley-Davidson Incorporated reported diluted earnings per share of 50 cents in the quarter versus 79 cents a year ago. Analyst average estimates were 51 cents per share. Harley-Davidson misses by a penny. Worldwide retail sales of Harley-Davidson motorcycles in the first quarter declined 12%, and U.S. retail sales declined 9.7% from last year's first quarter. Harley-Davidson Motor Company produces heavyweight custom, touring, and cruiser motorcycles. Mattel Incorporated reported a loss per share of 14 cents versus prior year loss per share of 13 cents. Analyst average estimates were a loss of 13 cents per share. Mattel misses by a penny. Worldwide net sales were down 15%, domestic gross sales were down 6%, and international gross sales were down 23%. Mattel Incorporated is the worldwide leader in the design, manufacture, and marketing of toys and family products. And now, the dividend report. The Onum Group Board of Directors declared a quarterly dividend of 7.5 cents per share on its common stock. The dividend is to be paid on May 15 to stockholders of record on April 27, 2009. Onum Group, together with its subsidiaries, provides group and individual disability insurance products in the United States and the United Kingdom. The Board of Directors of APCO Argentina Incorporated has approved a regular quarterly dividend of 2 cents per share. The first quarter dividend is payable on May 4th to shareholders of record at the close of business on April 23, 2009. APCO Argentina reduced its dividend compared with the prior quarter to preserve cash and increase liquidity at a time when it perceives an improved environment for investments. APCO Argentina Incorporated engages in the exploration and production of oil and gas properties in Argentina. International Bankshares Corporation approved that the Board of Directors approved the declaration of a 17 cents per share dividend for shareholders of record as of the close of business on April 27, payable on May 11, 2009. International Bankshares Corporation is a $12.4 billion multi-bank financial holding company. The Procter & Gamble Company announced that its Board of Directors declared an increase in the quarterly dividend from 40 cents to 44 cents per share. The dividend is payable on or after May 15 to shareholders of record at the close of business on April 24, 2009. This represents a 10% increase compared to the prior quarterly dividend. The Procter & Gamble Company, together with its subsidiaries, provides branded consumer goods products worldwide. The Board of Directors of C.R. Bard Incorporated declared a regular quarterly dividend of 16 cents per share. The dividend is payable on May 8 to shareholders of record at the close of business on April 27, 2009. C.R. Bard Incorporated and its subsidiaries engages in the design, manufacture, packaging, distribution, and sale of medical, surgical, diagnostic, and patient care devices worldwide. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.